insane, like genuinely insane.
The best album that I've ever listened to. It was amazing. I actually have no words for it.
I just have no words for it. Like it like peaked expectation. Like I can't believe we have to wait 3 weeks now to hear it again. Like I'm actually fuming over that. But it was genuinely so good. Like little me would be screaming right now.
I loved it. It was super different than anything he's put out. A huge variety of songs. Like there were some super slow ballads and then some like rock inspired songs, some not much techno. We expected more, like it was more rock, I would say. Yeah.
It's so unlike anything that he's done before, but it's so fitting. Like I can so imagine that in a club. There was one or three maybe sad songs that are just like they're so beautiful. They're absolutely the most gorgeous ballads ever. Like one of his best yet, I think. I thought the album was phenomenal. I actually really have no words for it. It's a close second. I think my favourite is Fine Line, but it's second for me, absolutely. It's amazing.
It's actually really good. It's very different from what I expected it to sound like, very different from what Harry has released previously. It actually was very like 80s like disco kind of indie rock. I really liked it. It's very like, I think it's not something that we see in the industry a lot, so it's very like new and surprising actually.
I've been a fan since I was a kid. I went to the San Siro concert actually that they made a movie of, so I've been here a while. And yeah, this was super exciting.
Went to One Direction concert with a Caitlin Hart's Harry t-shirt, so I've always been Harry, yeah.
I went to a One Direction concert in 2013, 2014, and I had like a big banner and it's like Harry Styles marry me. So I've been a Harry Styles fan like from the start. I know ball.
I've been a fan of One Direction since I was like 8. I'm 22 now, so a long time. And I've been to his concerts as well in the past, so I'm really excited about like this new launch, this new album.
I've literally been a fan since I was like a baby. My cousin got me into like One Direction and all of that stuff. It was just like even just to be here was so incredible. It was so amazing to be a part with all the other fans as well.